Next, we're going to work in the classwork tab. So click on the classwork tab if you're not already there, and you will see that we have preloaded information for you. At the very top, you'll see that there are help information for students, such as using a Chromebook, a guide to Google Classroom, and some keyboard shortcuts. These are there for our students just to help them if they get stuck. Because these files do not already belong to you and you're making a copy of someone else's, if you'll click on it and then choose Edit Material, you'll see that it will come up here. From here, you can choose your assignment, just like you would normally, but you can also add in all of your other classes that you're doing. Keep in mind that you will need to go back and change the setting on those classes as well. And then I'm going to keep it under that topic, and then I can choose to post it. Okay. From here, go ahead and do that same thing with these other two. So just click on it and then hit post. That way that information is actually live and available for your students.